Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to roast a Christmas goose. Now that our goose has been cooked and is resting before we carve it, it's time to make the gravy. The first thing we want to do is get all of that goose fat out of the pan. Depending on how hot it is and how heavy your roasting pan is, one of the easiest ways to do it is just by using your basting tube to suck it out. Being careful when it's really hot not to get it too high up into the bulb. We're just going to siphon it off so that we're leaving behind the pan juices and any gravy that is collected, although you can see that the majority of this is goose fat. You of course noticed how fat the goose was as we were getting it ready, and you do not want to have a gravy that is made primarily of fat. It might taste good for the first couple of bites, but it's going to be a lot of fat to consume if you were to leave all of this into your gravy. So we're going to finish siphoning this off, and then we'll be ready for our next step.